Okay, so first of all, OSPF is a link state dynamic protocol, and which means that OSPF will send information about directly connected links. Since this is a dynamic routing protocol, it will eliminate the need of configuring static routes, and it will automatically share routes between OSPF routers, meaning that it will share with all the routers information, IP addresses and subnets which are configured on the interfaces that participate in OSPF. OSPF uses shortest path first algorithm to calculate the best path, and each router will create a database of all connection called link state database or topology database by applying Dijkstra algorithm. Also, OSPF uses LSPs to form adjacencies and share link state updates to maintain the topology database. We'll find out what this means in the next slides. So first two components that we'll talk about are the LSAs and LSDB. LSAs are link state advertisements, which are the messages which are sent between each OSPF router, and it will contain the LSAs will contain the link states of each router, and LSAs are used to populate link state database. Link state database is a database containing link states. This is the database which describes the network, and it's also called topology database. We can also have priority, which is configured on each router, and it is used to determine the designated router, backup designated router, and others. And default value is 128. A designated router is a router chosen to represent the OSPF domain, and it will receive and send LSAs from and to BDR and others. And the backup designated router will do the same thing as the designated router, but in case the designated router will fail, the backup designated router will take its place. Also, Drudder. It's a regular router in the network which sends LSAs to designated router and backup designated router and receive LSAs from the designated router. So guys, most of you are viewing my videos and are not subscribed. So if you want to help me and if you like the videos that I am creating, please hit that subscribe button. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Thank you. Now you know more, and if you want to learn even more, you can check my linked Udemy courses in the video description. Also, on each Udemy course, you can find a 30% off coupon, which is listed in bonus section of each course. You will find them listed in the video description. Thank you, and see you in the next video.